Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we have got this Argon Audio Forte A4 MK2 sent to us from HiFi Klubben. So we're really thankful for that. And if you're interested in buying this speaker, then you can go to our description to check the link to get this speaker, or also check out some other speakers that they have. So we're going to do an unboxing and first impressions on this speaker. So here you can see the box from the other side. It says Argon Audio is more for less. Less weird buttons and geeky stuff. More music. Just more music. We've put all of our expertise into every product, giving you nothing but sound deliverance. So yeah, here's the branding, and you can see that it's designed and engineered in Denmark, which is a nice touch. And yeah, we chose the walnut color, as you can see here. So it also comes in black and white, but we think that walnut looks the best. And it also says here that it weighs 7.8 kilograms, this box. So yeah, here we have also the branded Argon Audio. And same here. So let's unbox it. So I've got the scissor here. And yeah, let's see. I'm quite excited to see what this speaker is about. And if you're wondering about its price, it costs around $550 right now. Yeah, okay. So yeah. Yep. And then this. Okay. So yeah, this box is very good, well made. All right, so some sort of caution paper here. We care about the environment, so that's very good. Quick start. Okay, so I think this might be, I'm not sure if this is the manual, but that we will see later. Okay, so some protection. And this, wow, this must be some sort of remote control, I believe. Or some cable, yeah. Okay. So what you get is the remote control. You get some batteries included. And this could also be some batteries. And cable for the power. And to plug into the speakers. So that's very well packaged. Yeah, like this. Okay. So then I can see that we have the speakers here in the middle of the box. So, wow, they're actually quite heavy. So that means that they are good. So let's look at the first one. Could be, yeah, here. All right. Oh, yeah, oh, it was the cover. It went on the floor. But there we have it. So this cover, you can have it on the speaker, of course, but you can also use it without. It depends on what you like the most. This cover is, it could be blocking the sound a little bit, but it's actually, oh, it's magnetic. So as you could see, that was like, that's actually cool. But without, it looks like this. And yeah, well, I will firstly take a look at the other speaker. So yeah, it's a pair, of course. So two speakers creating a stereo sound. So yeah, I'm quite impressed so far by the quality. So yeah, That's really cool that it's magnetic. A lot of protection as well. That's always good to have. Okay, okay. So, wow, I mean, I must say that the design is really good. And let me just get this out here, yeah. So here, nothing that's really important to have here, so we'll put it aside. But of course, you should always keep this in case you need to return this speaker. So let's look at this, which seems to be the manual. So yeah, it says how you should start by connecting to the speakers using the cable and everything. So you need to read through this manual before you start to use them, so that you're sure that you use them in the right way. So this cable is to plug to the speakers, not the power cable. This is to have them in the left and the right stereo. So yeah, like this. Seem to be 2 or 3 meters in length. So that should be good enough if you want to have these speakers with your computer or TV, because you can use them in several ways: to your computer, TV, Bluetooth, maybe your monitor as well. And yeah, so this cable is the main power cable. And this cable seems to be, yeah, 1 meter, a bit more than that. Yeah. So these, let's open this first here, the remote control, and include the batteries is always very nice. That's not something that you get from everything. The batteries included, so that's a nice touch. Yeah, so it looks like a TV remote, but this is to pair, volume down, up, and yeah, good controls. And everything you will be able to find in the manual, what every button does. So yeah, the batteries here. Now they're on some sort of plastic. Yeah, there we go. So you just need to open it like this and insert them the correct way. So yeah, coming back to the speakers. God, man, they look amazing. They have this cool style, like 70s or 80s type of style. And yeah, if we look at the back side of the speaker, it looks like this is the left speaker. Good to know. Yeah, input here to change to the right speaker. Some sort of G and D, I don't really know what that says about. Power input, HDMI input, and then USB sub out. So if you want to connect these speakers to a subwoofer, you have it, the output here, and then left and right, some other type of inputs here. Yeah, and same with the right speaker. It has, no, not the same. I mean, it has only input for chaining it to this left speaker. So that's all the controls would be on the left speaker on the back. And this hole is from the woofer, so it's the exhaust port. But yeah, very good quality. I love this finish with the walnut and these golden rings around. And underneath, not really so much, it's just quite flat, but I think they will stand quite good on anything. But of course, be a bit careful, you would not want to scratch these. And the cool effect with the cover, like I said, is just pops on.
just like perfect. It's like exactly how it should be. So that's really nice. It's so easy to remove it. So yeah, this actually, I think that this is to put under the speakers if you want to have them on some sort of stand. So you just remove this, or maybe, yeah, you remove, it's like some sort of sticker here, and then you can place it underneath so that they have something to stand on. So maybe that's something that you want to do. So, and let's open the battery package so that we can get the remote to work. Yeah. Okay, so here the plus side. Yeah, like this. Yeah, so now the control, remote control should work. It also has the brand in here, of course, Argon audio. Yeah. So these speakers, they have 80 watts times 4 actually, so 80 watts for each of these drivers. And yeah, it has a 1-inch tweeter, 4-inch woofer. So yeah, and then they have Bluetooth 5.0. They weigh 7 kilograms as they are, and it's recommended that you place them quite close to a wall because of the bass reflex port, so that it will sound better if it's close to a wall. And now we don't really have anything that's necessary in this box, but I will maybe just get these out. So yeah, let's get rid of this box here, and we're going to test them now to see how they work. So to get started with these speakers, you take the cable and plug it in. It doesn't really matter which side the cable is plugged into, but yeah, and then the other one, and then you screw this as well. All right, and then take your power cable there and then into the left speaker, which has all of the controls. Yeah, and it says max power consumption will be 200 watts. All right, so then it will show a red light, which I think means that it is in the standby mode. Take your control and you can turn them on. Yeah, and then you can use whatever you want to connect them to. I will use Bluetooth now, so I press the Bluetooth button and then pairing here. So it will flash blue, which means that it is looking for a device to connect to. I go into my phone's Bluetooth settings and I can see Argon, Forte, A4, MK2. So I connect to them. Yeah. And now it's connected. Alright, so let's go into Spotify, this song here, non-copyright. So let's see the first sound impression. And yeah, I think it's recommended that you keep your phone at max volume and then you can change through the remote control. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Yeah. Every time you increase the volume, it flashes here. And also when you lower the volume. Okay. A bit louder. Okay, let's go. Look, the bass. Whoa! Check that out. Oh my god, yeah, that's so much air. Max volume. Okay, they are crazy loud, and yeah, they sound good as well. Now they're not towards the wall, but that's still good. And yeah, these woofers, they move so much. Oh, yeah, so the bass is good, it's quite punchy. It has a bit of physical bass as well. But on max volume, it sounds the loudest when there isn't any bass, but it doesn't distort. It has a clean sound as well. So this is perfect even for some party as well. They sound really good. Yeah. Yeah guys, wow, as you can see and hear, these speakers really are good. They really suit indoors if you want to have them in your living room, with your TV, in the kitchen, in the background, with your computer, or just as normal Bluetooth speakers. They really are sounding very good. They have this clean design, and I'm very impressed by this from the first impressions that I got from them. So we are going to do more tests on these speakers. If there is some specific type of test you would like to see in the next video, then you can let us know down in the comments. So I will see you again in the next video.